Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a difference between Logseq and ROM research to help you decide which one is the best note taking tool. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So the first thing that you want to know is that look at the Logseq over here. Logseq is a privacy-focused tool, first note-taking app with an outliner-based structure and bidirectional linking. After that, it offers graph-based knowledge management, Markdown-based storage, and an active open-source community. Then it completely free and offer offline access with manual sync option. After that, let's check it out. ROM Research over here. ROM Research is a cloud-based note-taking tool with a powerful AI feature, real-time syncing, and advanced block referencing. Then it provides a seamless experience for collaboration and AI-powered smart queries. After that, it is a paid tool that stores data on the ROM service. Now, which one should you choose? Pick Logseq if you need a free private offline first tool with Markdown support. Pick ROM Research if you need a real-time cloud syncing, AI-powered feature and collaboration tool. So that's the comparison between Logseq and ROM Research for privacy and offline note-taking load. Is the best for choice for the cloud-based AI enhanced productivity. ROM Research is the better option. That's it.